Okay, we're going to take a look at the different parts and pieces of our various packages. The hummingbird kit is here. We have our rectal insufflation supplies here. We have our oil bubbler and nebulizing mask and ozone cupping system here. And then we have what we need to do ozonated fluids right here. So there's 4 different pieces, different packages that comprise all of the various packages that we offer. Now, on top of these things, we do have a few other accessories that you can purchase. For example, limb bags and a few other supplies. But we're going to focus on this. And let's start with our hummingbird kit. So our hummingbird kit basically gives you what you need to create ozone at home. So this is not everything, but it's the major components of the hummingbird kit. And so you've got your hummingbird ozone generator. That's the most important part of this entire ensemble. So you're going to want to make sure that your ozone generator is exactly what you need to safely and efficiently administer ozone at home. We've got our ozone destruct, neutralizes any excess ozone that we don't want off-gassing out into the air so that we don't breathe it. We've got a regulator. We've got a couple different kinds of regulators. So you want to make sure that you have the right one for your needs, either medical or industrial. And you can watch a different video on that if you want to take a look at the oxygen tank video. We've got our rectal insufflation supplies here. So we have, very importantly, our ozone syringe, which is safe to use with ozone. Of course, there are syringes that aren't, so just be careful on that. The rectal catheter connects to your ozone syringe and allows you to administer that ozone rectally. We have an insufflation bag that comes with the bronze package, and that is for larger animals and for other purposes as well. Then we have a lubricating oil, an ozonated lubricating oil to make it easier to administer on your pets. And finally, we have a couple of guides that help give information on ozone therapy and how to do it at home. Over here, we've got our ozone cupping system. This has an integrated destruct so that you can run ozone gas directly to your animal and do a topical treatment. It also doubles as a nebulizing mask. So you can take your 250 milliliter oil bubbler, fill that with oil, and connect your mask to the oil bubbler. And then your pets can safely breathe the ozonides that come out of the oil bubbler. Of course, can't breathe ozone gas, but this is a safe way to administer ozone so that it can be breathed in. Finally, we have our 500 milliliter fluid bubbler, which allows you to ozonate fluid, whether that's saline or we recommend distilled water, to use at home for a variety of purposes. And if you want to save some, ozone breaks down fast, but this ozone resistant jar will allow you to take that ozonated fluid, put it in your refrigerator, and save it for a couple of days so that you can use it continuously throughout those days.